Buenos dias. I can literally say buenos dias because it is 7:46. We've been up since 7:10. I broke out and I have a rash. Anyway, we're watching Food Network. I'm gonna get up and have breakfast. Our bed's up. Let's make it a great day. I should go down and have like breakfast or like a cup of coffee or something, you know. But I just wanted to start my day with some water. Honestly, an antihistamine because like this, out of control. I think this bathroom has the greatest lighting, honestly. Look, I want to show you. I don't know if you can see. I'm like so dry. Here, there. So. Para lonche, or for lunch, we prepared some chicken teriyaki. We made some chicken, broccoli, peppers, onions, some brown rice with some quinoa, and I topped it all with sriracha. So that's what we're having for lunch. This is my portion and his portion. Hey, so today is Friday morning. As you can tell, I am a little red porque I just did a viejitos keep fit class. Like it's actually for people that have parking. Let me put the thing out. There we go. It's actually a class for people that have Parkinson's, and it was great. I did it with my suegro, and let me tell you, you go from like boxing to like lunging and squatting and like all these things. And my heart was like, it was good. It was good. Like, I really enjoyed it. Otro día de cuarentena, me hice un lonche de atún, un sándwich. Bueno, como les estaba diciendo, ha sido un día tan largo. Like, it's been the longest day in the world, really. Right now I'm just preparing some piña. I can't think. I really can't think. My husband and I are just doing odd jobs around the house because we need to do something, because this quarantine, you know, it's getting to us. Because normally I'm used to just being alone in the house, but that's not the case anymore. I got 3 other people with me. Anyway, I've done 3 loads of laundry. Well, 3rd load's in now. Oh yeah, now we have a rail, and it's sturdy. So you just conjoined it there. You sí quedan ganchos. What about the other one? For tonight's dessert, I made this. It is vanilla ice cream with Oreos, cashew nuts, and caramel sauce. So I'm out here in the sun and I don't look very approachable, but I wanted to say that I'm very happy because my little plants are germinating, and they're not germinating as fast as they should have, but the conditions that they were in, I mean, it's cold out here in England and they still are amazing and killing it. And so I'm replanting them in their little pots, and I'm not sure what they were because I mixed them. So I just have either red pot or yellow pot, and this one's gonna be. So here are my little seedlings. See, they're germinating. You can barely see, but they're there, and I'm happy about it. So I'm just gonna take one. Lex. This is Lex going in. Thank you. You're gonna grow, and I love you. And I believe in your little seed. Right here, this is Joy. You're growing, man. See? I'll put you in. And just cover you up. I believe in you, I love you, and you're destined for growth, little seed. So I want to show you something. You can barely see, but it's germinating. It's growing. There you go, little seed. I love you, and you're gonna grow and do great things. I'm not sure if it's a jalapeno plant or if it's an habanero plant. See? You're just yellow pot because that's the pot that it was in. It's a germinó, so I'm just putting it in this one, and I'm gonna let it grow now. So I cut one open so you could see it. They are cooked through, and that gooiness that you see is cheese.